just park here because you'll need to take it on this side and the other car needs to go out. So hi mate, how you doing? All right? So that's the paper, or both of them.
No problem, thank you.
Have you got any forklift or anything? Or just pass it by? Yeah? No problem. Yeah. It's very wet, this water on my glasses now. Come on. So only from here to here, yeah? No problem.
Do you want to pass them down and we'll take them up?
Yeah, no problem. Let's take those things first.
You got a knife to open them up?
This one?
No, do you want a knife to open these?
Ah, to open this? Yes, if you don't mind. Yeah.
We'll take them ones in and we'll get a knife.
They're not really heavy.
Right, there you go. All you do is okay, I'm going to grab you a knife now.
Thank you. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
They're the ones who are in the bottom ones. They're going to go on our travels in a week or so. We're going to Suffolk. I think some man of Gallagher's as well. Fucking picture with all the facts on it. Oh yeah. Zip that. You look at the wall, they're all sleeping.
I can't get it. I can't get it. One of less something.
Oh, fine.
Because I need for this one as well, yeah. A second.
I thought you would have doing that.
It's quite heavy.
Yeah, go.
Okay?
Okay, go on, got it. Yep, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Quite.
You're busy day?
Well, today I think should be okay.
Good.
Because I only need to go back to the depot
Right.
to get some more load and then
Where are them ones going? Are they going to Atherton?
I'm not too sure, mate, because they told me it's not ready yet.
Alright, okay.
So should be another pallet. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Originally Romanian.
Romania.
Yeah.
I thought so.
Cheers, mate.
I thought so.
Thank you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fucking. I hope that's still okay. Sorry, mate.
No problem. I might
Just give
have-
it a wipe. Should be fine.
It's all shit. Let me take it in and have a look.
Should be okay, innit?
Shit.
Sorry for that. It's just slippery.
You stay on the wagon.
Yeah,
Pat.
yeah. It's fucking. Oh. Man, it's really slippery, those things.
Don't worry, no one died.
I don't want you to be upset. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll try and get away with it. We'll see.
Yeah.
Just gonna try.
Thank you, mate. Sorry for that. Just
We'll try and try that.
very slippery. Oh,
Okay. Yeah.
panel.
That's shite. That's it. That can just stay in the wagon.
Yeah, yeah, no
Go
problem.
back to the yard. Put the back of the wagon.
Ah, this one.
Yeah, that's just a baseball.
If you want, take it, mate. No problem.
No, it's fine. The old
Bonus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You made bad memories then, didn't you? You fucking jinxed it, didn't you?
Honestly, never happened to me like this, but yeah. Yeah. Didn't catch it. Sorry for that. Should be okay now.
Cheers,
Thanks,
mate.
mate. Thank you. Quite heavy as well.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Yep.
I'll take this one, Dave, and then I'll give you a lift with them three then. Do them
So,
three between.
What do we did? What do you do with them? Kitchens or?
It's for like a laboratory.
Ah,
So it's,
for laboratory, yeah.
Like chemical proof. and
Ah, I see. Yeah.
I think two of us are going to get this a little bit heavy.
Yeah. Very heavy.
Have you been back home? No?
No, not for the last 3 years.
I know a Romanian guy he works in the restaurants and
Yeah.
he goes home for a month every year.
I wanted to go this Christmas, but didn't find any ticket.
He lives,
Didn't find any.
I think where he is, there's a lot of mountains there.
Yeah, I'm not far from the mountains as well. But the only ticket I found it was in March, so it's like 4 months. 4 months time.
The Romanian women are pretty fit though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Some of them really nice. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Shows how fucking tough this stuff is, doesn't it?
Is it more to do with the chemicals why they use it? Is it? No, sure.
Yeah, because it's you can
Yep.
put like the chemicals and shit like that on it. It's not 3/4 of the job. Right, so the sheet size of this is 3 meters, just over 3 meters. Cheers, pal.
That's okay. This one is not yours.
No, that's not ours.
You
That's
sure?
just the baseball.
Thank you
yeah.
so much.
Cheers, mate.
You can write on that pink page.
Bring them out.
Yeah. If you want, you can write that about the damage or anything. It's up to you, mate. Thank you.
It sound right, boys.
Yeah, the pink one. Yeah. Both
Two
of them.
pieces there.
Yeah.
Nice one.
You
Cheers,
can
pal.
you can write it down if you want
No,
about
it's
the.
alright. I'm going to try and repair it.
So sorry for that. I do
I'll speak-
apologize.
I don't think it'll be a problem, but
Yeah.
get away.
Thank you so much. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Well, never happens to me, but I'm feeling very embarrassed because my job is to deliver the items in a safe manner, not to demolish them. So I do apologize. Feeling very embarrassed. This guy wants to pass. As long as it's there, tight, secure, not going anywhere. Strapped. All good. Mate, I do apologize. Things happen like that. So in life, some things happens good, some things I think most of you has worse scenarios than what I've had earlier. So just park somewhere. Sometimes I go with the weather, you know. I'll just go back now to drop them off. I just wanted to have 15 minutes break, but I just realized I just have to drop them off. Probably I'll just have after 15 minutes break. Sorry mate, it seems like them books are for you as well.
Yeah, sorry.
Just found them in the cab.
No worries. Cheers,
Thank you,
pal.
have a good day. See you, take care.